How to invest with Lightyear. Follow the instructions. Download Lightyear app or use web version, then sign up using your name, email, and country of residence. Verify your identity by uploading an official document and taking a selfie for security verification. Deposit funds via bank transfer, card, or Apple, Google Pay. Choose supported currencies like GBP, EUR, or USD. Explore thousands of global stocks and ETFs using the search bar or categories in the app's Browse section. Select the asset you want to invest in and choose between buying full shares or fractional shares as available. Place a market or limit order. Market orders support fractional shares. Limit orders only support full shares. Track your investments in the Portfolio tab and view dividend earnings and price performance over time. Withdraw your money anytime without fees, or leave cash to earn interest from Lightyear savings options. Thank you for watching.